we get into the side view of this wig? Like, so much volume. Hey, how you doing? I feel so sexy in this wig. I love it, y'all. Like, this afro is doing something to me. I love it. And here is the back of the wig. I cannot see it, but I hope that it looks nice. This wig definitely looks bomb from all angles. Hi dolls and gents. Lately I have been all about wigs I can just throw on straight out of the box. Here is another wig that you can literally install right out of the box. If you are into more kinky, curly, 4C, 4B type hair, you're gonna love this wig right here. I wanna give a huge shout out to HerGivenHair for sponsoring today's video. They sent over their Something About Mary unit, which has a 4x4 lace closure. This one is 18 inches. It's in its natural color. And as I mentioned, it does have a kinky, coily type of curl to it. So it looks super natural. The texture looks really nice. And not only that, but the luster is right. The luster is low to medium, which is going to mimic our hair a lot better than a shinier luster. So my natural hair is actually not like 4C. My hair is a little bit more loose than this texture. So this hair gives a lot of volume and you can really get it into a nice afro, which is what I have going on right now. I basically just like combed out the hair with my fingers a bit and I reshaped the wig with scissors to get it into this nice style that frames my face nicely. And it does have a nice bounce to it as well. When I move the hair, it definitely moves and it feels really nice. The hair smells really nice as well. So I don't want to talk too long. I know y'all want to see me install this hair. It was super easy, super quick, and I'll be back at the end with my final thoughts on this wig. So if you would like to see the install, definitely stay tuned, baby. This packaging is definitely giving luxury, y'all. It arrived in this black and gold box, and it even had wrapping paper with their name and everything on it. Also, my wig came inside of a wig cap, and here is the natural texture of the hair straight out of the box. I did not co-wash this hair. I did not bleach the knots. It has a 4x4 lace closure, 2 wig combs in the front, 1 in the back, as well as an adjustable strap to wear it glueless. Now I'm going to install the wig and I'm actually going to wear it glueless today. So I'm going to use that elastic band in the back and I'm just positioning it right on my head. And here is the natural texture of the hair on. As you can see, the curls are very tight. We definitely want to comb those out and get this hair nice and poofy. Next, I'm taking a hair clip to get the hair out the way, and it's time to cut off that excess lace shawl. This is HD lace, so it does look nice and natural. It looks melted without applying any glue, but the ear tab area should either be cut off completely or you can put a little black there to get rid of that. But I knew that part would not be showing on my wig because of the styling, so I was not concerned with that. I'm gonna go ahead and do a middle parting for today's style. And now I am just combing the hair out with my fingers. I don't really want to disturb the curls, but I do want to fluff them out a bit. So I'm just using my fingers to do that. And I'm also using scissors to shape the wig around my face to give it more volume, more body. You see exactly how the wig looked when we first started out of the box, but when you start to comb the curls out with your fingers, as well as cut the hair and shape it to match your face, that is when you'll see the wig come to life. So I'm gonna go ahead, play music while I'm doing this. I hope that y'all enjoy it. It really wasn't much that I had to do, but I just wanted to make sure it shaped my face properly. So when you install this wig, you're going to cut it maybe a little different than me, depending on your face shape and how it falls on you. I'm really a perfectionist when it comes to symmetry on both sides. I really want them to match perfectly. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect, but I try to get it as close as possible. So you'll see me going back and forth between the sides just to get it nice and even. None of our faces are the same shape. Our head is not the same size. One side of our head might be smaller than the other. So when you put the wig on, it might be a little shorter on one side, just depending like on your features and everything. So just try to cut it as good as possible and get it in the shape that you would like it. The goal here is to shape the hair, not really cut off inches. So try to shape the hair while cutting off the least amount of hair as possible. So here is the hair once I finished fluffing it out and shaping it around my face with the scissors. I think it turned out really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and apply powder to the lace just to make it blend in better with my skin tone. And that is it, y'all. Super easy. So I told you this wig was super easy to install. If you're looking for a natural textured wig, you are going to love this one. This company specializes in natural textured wigs, so they have amazing units on their website. Again, this is the Something About Mary unit, and it is just giving me all the fills for like a coily afro. I'm here for it. This is something different for me. Y'all know I normally don't go for a unit like this, but I'm like going outside of my comfort zone with wigs. I'm trying all different styles, all different types. I know not everyone rocks the same type of wigs that I like, so I want to give y'all variety. If you want to continue to see variety on my channel, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you like this video in the comment section down below. Would you rock this wig? If you're interested in checking out this wig, I will leave a link down below to HerGivenHair and any coupon codes that they provide me with. The texture of this unit is absolutely amazing, y'all. Amazing. I love it. I think this length is perfect for this wig. If you like a super big afro, you can definitely get it bigger, but this is the perfect amount of volume for me. You can also rock this wig to the side if you would like, or you could even put like a little bang here, because some people style this wig with a bang right here and it looks really cute. So you can just cut one with these pieces in the front and it will look super gorgeous. If you're a beginner and you don't like a lot of fuss with your wigs, definitely check this baby out. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. Don't stop right here. Go ahead, click the box right here and it will take you to my next video.